Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can refer a friend on Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To refer a friend on Remitly, firstly go ahead and open your Remitly application. The homepage of Remitly application will appear on the screen. Click on Rewards option at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Invite Now. You can refer a friend on Remitly by sending a referral link through WhatsApp, email, message, scanning a QR code, or by copying a link as well. Here I'm gonna go with WhatsApp. Tap on person's contact you want to refer a Remitly and click on arrow icon to send your link. This is how you can refer a friend on Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.